Welcome to today's video. Today is the day. For me, no, but this video is the day. The day this video drops, today is the day for you guys to see whatever. I don't even think this is gonna be the intro. I'm just not sure. Anyway, I have to take these compression arms off. This arm right there. I have to take that off because I got new SPL bushings. It's gonna take the place of those old broken bushings that allowed us. So to get this compression arm off, I have to take this brace off. It's all the way. Just bolts right here to it, to the other side. So I think altogether it's 8 bolts. I just drowned it in PV Blaster, and now I'm about to unscrew them, and hopefully it works out. These are bolts. They go directly into it. It's 14. I went with a wrench. I could have used my impact wrench, but I'm scared that some of these bolts are so rusty that they might rip off. Especially these ones that are actually connected to the compression arm. So this one is actually, this right here is a nut, and this right here is actually part of, I think the subframe. I don't know, the subframe or the frame. They've been known to like snap off with the nut if they're not properly lubricated, or if they're just completely rusted over. So it's gonna be hard. I'm gonna have to put power into it, but I'm just gonna use a manual wrench. I'm not gonna use no impact because I don't need that thing ripping off my body parts. You feel me? These ones came out pretty fine. They weren't too hard. Let's go ahead and do those ones and see where we're at with that, because it's the ones I'm most nervous about. This is a 19. Let's hope I don't rip it open. Need better leverage, man. Was that a crack, or was that what I needed? I think I got it, guys. I think I got it. That is beautiful. Alright, so they're not so bad. I was pretty scared. I thought I was gonna have to like drench them for a day and then come all the way back up here to get it off. They're not so bad. Some of you guys might not be so lucky, so just be careful. I know I'm not usually so lucky. Let me not speak too early, man. I'm starting to speak like I am lucky. It's another bolt. Another bolt. These are all 14s. I'm gonna leave this one on so I can get the other side. It's basically the same thing. It is the same thing. And then I'll be back and unhook this one to let it all go. So here's the reason why I said not to use an impact. So this is how a bolt is supposed to look coming out of there. Nice and thick. Sorry, I'm shaky because I was working hard trying to get the bolt out. But that's how it's supposed to look, right? This one right here. It was hard as to get out. And this is what it ended up looking like. Look at that. Almost twisted it off. That would have been a good day. But yeah, obviously I'll buy another bolt for that. I did manage to get it out, thank God. So now I get to take off that last bolt. I got the jack holding the brace a little bit. Once I get this last bolt off, she's gonna come right off, and I can just go ahead and move towards the compression arms. Boom. That last bolt. Drop her down. I feel like she's stuck on that one right there. uneven. She's uneven. Out of here. Just gonna put all these bolts where they go so nothing gets misplaced. Alright, so now that that's off, I have complete access to sliding the compression arm off. And to get this, only thing it's connected to now is the knuckle. Right. Okay, so there's the arm. And it connects right there. Okay. Not too shabby. Just a bolt with a cotter pin in it. It would have been pointless to try to show you guys the cotter pin because the lighting's pretty bad over here. But you know, just a cotter pin, nothing big. Fix that. Whatever, man. There's a bolt right here. I'm just gonna unbolt it and y'all see what will happen next. 19mm. One of those ball joints. They start spinning after a while. Pretty annoying. So whenever I try to loosen it up, the bolt spins with it. So let me try to use impact. Try to be quick. Because the impact is fast. Even when they spin, sometimes the impact just hits it right off. Got a lot of deliveries today. Yeah, it just spins it too. That sucks. I have to use a jack to put weight on it, I guess. Alright, I got the jack on it. So some of the weight's on the car. Some of the weight of the car is on the compression arm, so hopefully that'll stop it from spinning. Now let's see if I can get a wrench in there. Oh yeah. Sorry, I'm in your way, but gotta do what I gotta do. Boom. Now you can get the weight off of the arms. Let's see what happens. Boom. Alright y'all, so what's happening right now is this bushing is like stuck on it instead of being loose and free. It's stuck, so I'm gonna try to pry it off real quick. Just trying to get this arm free. For some reason, it's like stuck on here. Doesn't want to come out. And it should just be able to slide right off. But it's not. There it goes. That was nice. There was a little pop right there. Why is it doing this to me? Oh, there we go. There's the movement I need. To keep it going. We gotta keep it going. but I can't, cause there's not enough to go. Oh, quick hands, you feel me? Got the whole arm off. That is what I needed. Boom, right there. SPL bushing is gonna take place of this bushing right here. Should be a good time getting this thing out. Doesn't even look so bad. I'll be hearing it creak though. Oh, okay. Maybe it does look bad. Unless it's just rocks. No, that's rubber. Alright, well, exactly what I did. So this side, I'm gonna do the other side. Alright, well, the other side was not as easy. The bushing was getting stuck on to the bolt that it goes on. And I ended up having to burn it out. So there's rubber in this bushing with a metal sleeve. I can show you on the other side. Over there, if you look at it, there's like rubber, and then there's that hole in there has like a sleeve. And mine is stuck in, or it's like seized up on this bolt that it goes on. It's kind of hard to explain. Let me show you the right way of how it's supposed to be, and then you can see what I'm talking about. Connected to the car is a bolt, a long threaded bolt. Well, this is a nut at the bottom. This comes off, and this goes through. That goes through this, and on the thread on the other side, it's like this whole thing is seized up. So all I did was burn the rubber around it so I could pull this off. And now I'm stuck over there with this. It's just stuck onto that. It seized this right here. It seized onto that. On the other side. Okay, I'll show you guys. This is my setup right now. Well, was my setup. I was dying over here. Not a lot of light, but there's the bushing that I'm gonna have to cut in half and try to get off. And I have hopes that it won't be so hard, but that looks kind of bad. So, yeah. Well, at least I got both the arms out. I'm gonna have to press this sleeve out. Press this sleeve out so I could put that new SPL bushings in. Press that one out over there. Press the bushing in. Yeah.
Just cleaned the 350Z.
Yeah, man. $10 later. Clean car. Blew off my windshield wiper. The power washer thing.
For real?
Yeah, it's in the other seat, but it won't clip back on, so I don't know. I'll do a windshield wiper delete. Make the car later.